Now in Open RAN with certain advantages, there are certain challenges also. Integrating any legacy network in today's telecom environment needs an integration of Open RAN in their network. So any brownfield network has to have a proper integration with the legacy network. And one of the challenges that is persisting is the concerns related to the wide range of components that are being used in Open RAN. So integration is one part where many system integrators are coming up in telecom industry, and they are working to helping the telcos to create an open ecosystem. Next issue or the challenge is with the maturity. So Open RAN is quite new so far, and it is still in an evolving state. So there is a worries because it is a critical infrastructure for any telco. It is imperative to have a proper assurance from all the vendors or sub-vendors or the suppliers that are involved in Open RAN ecosystem. So that maturity is a concern for multi-vendor interoperability. Connectivity is another factor. As we are disaggregating the nodes in radio access network in Open RAN, we have to make sure the connectivity is robust. Any base station today needs front haul and mid haul going forward in Open RAN, which needs to have a very stringent latency requirements, which needs to be met. And for that, a proper infrastructure at the transport level is required. Another is the operations. Any issue that comes up in a network currently is easy to identify because majority of the nodes in RAN is being deployed by a single supplier. So they have an onus to resolve the issue, and they know the system very well, end to end or whatever the nodes deployed in the network. But going forward with Open RAN, when there are multiple vendors and suppliers, it is difficult to identify and resolve the problem at the same pace which is happening today. Though it is not impossible, but it is a kind of a concern for telcos. Another challenge is the operational readiness, because the kind of skill sets which are required in Open RAN related to the automation, DevOps, software upgrades, that requires some kind of upskilling of the